Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need Waze installed and location enabled. This lets the app compute routes from any point. First, set your device region and ensure GPS accuracy is high. Once done, open Waze and tap Search. Instead of typing your current place, press the three-dot or menu to change origin. Enter the different starting address or pin it on the map. This tells Waze to treat that location as your departure point, so it can calculate realistic travel time and turn-by-turn directions. Once your origin is visible, tap and hold the map pin or use the menu option to set as start. You want to place the pin precisely. Snapping to road improves guidance. Next, add stops or waypoints to control routing and estimated time of arrival. Make sure to review route options, fastest, shortest, or avoid tolls. This affects the pathways displays. As you adjust, Waze recalculates. Watch the ETA and distance, so you understand why one option may be better than another. Tap Go to begin navigation from your chosen origin and follow voice prompts. This confirms Waze is using the alternate start correctly. If the map jumps or GPS drifts, pause navigation, toggle location off then on, or move the pin onto the correct road to force a reroute. If routes fail to load, restart the app, check mobile data or Wi-Fi, and clear app cache. This resolves most loading issues and ensures Waze can fetch up-to-date traffic and map segments for accurate directions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.